Hi friends, this is Parul and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make cookies which are loved by each and everyone. For which I have taken half cup of unsalted butter, just crush it, like this. After that I am going to add half cup of sugar powder and mix them well. It is little bit of tough work, but we have to do this. Just mix it well like this. After that I am going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of custard powder. I am also adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida in Hindi, and half cup colored tutti frutti. Mix all the ingredients together. We have to mix it properly so that they become together. We have to bind it very properly. After that we need a little bit of milk to bind them. I am adding 1 spoon milk and try to make a dough. We don't need any soft dough here. We need harder one. Just make a dough in this way. We have to add half spoon milk more and make a dough. See the process, you have to follow this. It is ready now. Have a look. After that I am taking polythene and roll the dough on it. Just roll it in this way. We have to make a big roll of medium size. Just press it tightly and roll it. Make the perfect size dough. See the roll, we need this size. Now I am going to wrap it with the polythene tightly. Give a perfect shape while rolling. And just see the process. At the last, I am going to tie it with the rubber from both the ends. Just make sure that the polythene wrapping is tight. Just give a shape and tie it. Just have a look. We have to keep it in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours to set. I am using a tray and going to keep it in the refrigerator. After 5 to 6 hours, open it now. It is harder now. Just have a look. After that, I am taking an aluminium plate, grease it with ghee and capture butter paper like this. We have to cut the pieces. You can cut according to your choice. Have a look, it looks so beautiful and colorful. Cut all the pieces like this. Now we have to bake it. Our oven is preheated and we have to bake it at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. You can also use this type of plate, just capture butter paper upon it. I'm going to bake it. Have a look, it is ready after baking. You can see it is very crispy. See the color? It is darker from one side and lighter from another side. We don't need very dark color. Just have a look. I'm going to keep it aside to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, it is ready to eat now. It is very crispy and yummy. Just give a try and message me in comment box. Just have a look. It is very colorful and very tasty. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.